Here in India, farmer burns tons of agriculture waste like rice straw and husk. This causes severe pollution and wastage of variable resources. At the same time, many rural villages still struggle with electricity. But what if this waste could be turned into energy? Today, we explore how India is converting waste into watts.
Let's imagine a farmer in rural India. After harvesting crops, a large amount of waste is left behind. This waste has no immediate use, so the easiest option is to burn it. But burning not only harms the environment, it also wastes something that could actually generate income. What if instead of burning, this waste could be sold and reused? That is where biomass energy creates a real difference.
In India, agricultural waste includes rice husk, wheat straw, and sugarcane bagasse. Farmers often burn this waste because it is cheap and fast. But this leads to serious problems like air pollution, health issues, and loss of useful resources. For example, stubble burning in states like Punjab, Haryana contributes to pollution in Delhi. At the same time, many rural areas still face electricity shortage.
Biomass. Biomass energy or bioenergy means energy made from natural organic materials. The term feedstock refers to the organic material used to produce energy. Different feedstocks have different compositions, but most common are carbon, water, and organic substances. To produce energy, the feedstock must be converted using different processes. So, there are common biomass conversion processes which include combustion, gasification, pyrolysis, and anaerobic digestion. The first, combustion. This is the process where feedstock is burned into the presence of air to produce heat, like a small campfire using wood. This heat can also be used to produce steam and generate energy. Gasification. This process uses heat, pressure, and limited oxygen to convert feedstock into a gas called syngas. This gas can be used like natural gas for heating, electricity, and other purposes. The third, that is pyrolysis. This process heats feedstock at the high temperature without oxygen. Since there is no oxygen, the material does not burn. Instead, it breaks down into three products like the liquid, it's called as bio oil, a solid, it's called biochar, and the third, a gas, which is called syngas. So there are different types of biomass technologies used in India. One common method of this technology is the biomass gasifier, where the waste is converted into gas and used to run generators. The another method is biogas plant, which converts the organic waste into methane gas. This gas can be used for cooking, lighting, etc. India produces more than 500 million tons of agricultural waste every year. A large portion of this is either burned or left unused. If even a small percentage of this waste is converted into energy, it can power thousands of villages. This shows the huge potential of biomass energy in India.
A great example of this is Husk power system in Bihar. This company uses rice husk, a waste product from rice mills, to generate electricity. They supply power to rural villages through small local grids. The impact is huge. Homes get electricity, small businesses can operate at night, and farmers earn extra income by selling waste. This shows how a simple idea can transform rural lives.
Benefits: it reduces pollution and protects the environment. It creates additional income for farmers. It provides reliable electricity in rural areas, and it supports India's move towards a renewable energy. However, there are challenges: high initial setup costs, transportation of biomass, and lack of awareness in rural areas. These challenges need proper planning and support.
What we once called waste is actually a powerful resource. From waste to watts, rural India is creating a cleaner, brighter future. The question is not whether we can do it, but how fast we can scale it.